Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. Temporarily deactivating your Instagram account allows you to take a break from the platform without permanently deleting your data. During deactivation, your profile, posts, and comments are hidden, but you can reactivate your account anytime by logging back in. This feature is useful for managing screen time or stepping away from social media for a period. To temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account you wish to deactivate. Once you are on your account, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Next, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them. This will open a menu where you can access settings and activity. From there, look for the Account Center and select it. Within the Account Center, choose Personal Details to proceed. Scroll down and find the Account Ownership and Control section, then tap on it. Here, you will see the option for deactivation or deletion. Now, select this option and indicate that you want to deactivate the account. Finally, follow the prompts by tapping Continue to temporarily deactivate account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.